I'm Hellen Kasujja, Deputy Executive Director of CIDI. CIDI, Community Integrated Development Initiatives, is a local NGO in Uganda, and we work with communities that are unserved and underserved, especially in areas of health promotion and water, sanitation and hygiene. We are very excited to be part of a global consortium, the Right to Grow Consortium, that is ensuring that children under 5 live up to their full potential. For the children under 5 to live up to their full potential, there must be access to health services, there must be access to food, nutrition, and most importantly, there must be access to water, sanitation and hygiene services, both at the institution, but most critically also at the household level. And I'm extremely excited to be part of the delegation that is going to be in the sector ministers meeting, and my expectation is that it can give an opportunity to organizations like CIDI and other networks that are bringing voices from the grassroots at the global level. My expectation with the sector ministers meeting is that we may have concrete commitments from the ministers, from the governments across the world, one, to invest in water, sanitation and hygiene at the institutional level, specifically at the healthcare facilities, knowing that the first 1,000 days start at the healthcare facility. So it's important there is water for the mothers, there is water for the healthcare workers, and at the maternity wards, at the pediatrician wards, and so that the children can have a good start. My call to action is also that ministers can actually invest in institutional level. Institutional level, specifically talking about schools. Washing schools is very critical to ensure that the young girls and boys that go to school can actually stay in school but also have a good health. We know the critical importance of ensuring that children from the countries like Uganda are not stunted, and we know that water, sanitation and hygiene is a key driver. And if we are going to have a health workforce in response, the health workforce that is going to be able to address the challenges that have been brought about by the COVID-19 crisis, to ensure that we have quick recovery, we need to have water, sanitation and hygiene. My call to action for the sector ministers meeting is that we can invest as countries and the global community. We must invest in climate resilient wash facilities. Climate resilient wash facilities are very critical to ensure that the vulnerable communities have sustainable access to water and therefore leaving no one behind.